What's going on, everybody? So the boys are down for their afternoon nap, and I had a quick minute to make a very important video for a very special campaign that is about to kick off tomorrow. And I've been called out by two individuals to do something, and I'll share that in a minute. But first, I think I need to take care of something. So let's see if I can make this edit happen. Huh, it worked. So if you're asking yourself, well, why, Ben, do you have the disgusting looking mustache? Well, if you're asking that question, then the mustache is doing its job. And that is for you to ask me that question and me to tell you and open up a conversation about something that's going on in the month of November. And that is, the month of November is typically known as Mow-Vember, where people raise awareness about men's health. And in particular this November, Derek from Lazy Lawns started a campaign in our lawn care community, and he's challenging people, calling people out, saying, hey, I challenge you to grow a mustache or shave your beard to a mustache to, again, start raising awareness about men's health. And in addition to that, there's a fundraising page where you can buy a shirt to raise money for the Movember campaign, and there's a Movember campaign that you can donate specifically to. I'll link all of that in the description below. John Perry and Don from Don's Lawns called me out to shave my mustache, so thank you, John and Don. And now my job is to call 3 people out to also participate in this challenge, and that is Denny from GCI Turf Academy, Lawn Amateur, I'll link his channel below, all these guys will link below, and who else do I want to do? Oh, Dadding All Day. You 3 are challenged to either start growing out a mustache, or shave your beard to a mustache. So in addition to joining this campaign and shaving my beard into this mustache, calling out Denny and Lawn Amateur and Dadding All Day, I'd like to talk about a particular health issue that has kind of affected me personally and some very close family members as well, and that's mental health. Mental health is one of the main health issues that Movember is kind of making awareness of. You know, the 3 main things that I've seen are testicular cancer, prostate cancer, and mental health. I mean, in general, it's health in general, all health issues. But I'd like to talk specifically about mental health, because I don't think it's something that enough people talk about in general, whether you're a male or a female, in today's culture. Mental health is just one of those things where, you know, it's hard for people to understand. It's hard for people to, you know, put a pin in what's going on, because it's not a bone. It's not a, you know, ligament that's broken or sprained, or something that we can take an image of with an X-ray machine, or, you know, an MRI, get an MRI of, and those types of things. So it's difficult for us to see and understand. But when you're dealing with those issues, it's not difficult to feel. It can be difficult to recognize and admit that something is going on, but it's something that's real, and I think it's something that more and more people need to continue talking about. And, you know, if you think you're dealing with something and you're just not able to identify it, you know, talk to your loved ones, talk to somebody in your life that you trust, and that's the really most important thing, is don't internalize those things. You need to talk to those family members or friends that you really trust and love, that you know are just looking out for your best interests. So like I said, mental health is just something I really think that more people need to talk about, because it is a real thing. It's not something made up, and I just really, my heart goes out to all those people that suffer from, you know, whether it's anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts, whatever it may be. my heart goes out to all those people that deal with those things. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video and learning more about this campaign. I hope you consider joining this campaign even if you have not been called out specifically. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, even if you don't have Instagram or Facebook or any social media, you can still join in and get people to join in by spreading the word, verbally. If you happen to have social media accounts, you can spread it that way as well. But anyways, guys, I really do appreciate you tuning in to watch this video. I want to also give a special thanks to Derek from Lazy Lawns to spearheading this campaign and diving in and getting our community to pull together once again to help those in need and to make awareness to a very special and important cause. So thank you guys for watching, guys. As always, I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video. Pete Denny, dadding all day, lawn amateur. Let's see those mustaches, boys.